Cross beers. Cross beers are beers without additives or preservatives and unpasteurized. They are alive and are an evolutionary we change a little every day with the presence of live jets. Craft beer is made from totally natural ingredients, which do not contain artificial additives or preservatives. Just where bread melted and aged. Lesson industrial beer is pasteurized.
Okay, we will make this recipe with the aim of one day no longer buying bears in stores and producing it ourselves since we are all lovers of the taste of the good beer. We call it different recipes and in the end we take only one. Our main objective is to make a delicious beer that meets out of faith, hygiene, and flavor balance. Next,
The ingredients of craft beer. 1. Water. Water is fundamental ingredient for brewing beer. 2. Barley. Barley malt provides the sugar necessary for fermentation. 3. Hops provide the distinctive bitterness, aroma, and flavor. 4. Yeast produces alcohol, CO2, and stir during fermentation. Next.
Thank you.
Hey,
Make
how are you? You need a small, sorry, province you have when performing. You need is malt, hops, water, yeast, and as ingredients, a good dose of pathogens. The most common problem is that the beer becomes infected. To prevent this from happening, you have to use a disinfectant without rinsing. Then clean, sorry, and rinse. Eh, For this reason, there are two cases to this: a good fermentation and good yeast. We always keep good results. Secrets 2. Keep it simple. There are who try to add stupid ingredients because they see that big brewers do it, but it's a mistake. What if malt a bird and bear? Possible to who have never made homemade beer. We think that when malt appears, it is a thing that it must be turned away. Well, no, most is interesting. Many believe that it can produce harmful toxins from humans, but only affects those who are serious ill or whose immune systems are not working properly. Next.
Make sure that they bail is closed before starting the movement. Later, when the water is ready to cool down, the hose on the cooler should be tightly secured. If not, the water may spill out when boiling. It is recommended to use containers that have 20 more volume than the batch we are making. It is necessary to inculate a white yeast it cools and becomes oxidized. This will stop the generation of other bacteria that can affect the taste. It is advisable to let the bottle rest for at least weeks at room temperature.
Oh, okay, thank you. Finish the presentation. Uh, Thank you, teacher.